See, I've been doing social experiments, which I'm sure you've noticed, because sometimes I tell you things, but it's much better to learn from the actual source, which is women. See, I understand women, but here's the interesting part. With these social experiments, like you, I've also been learning things myself. Certain things that you and I just don't notice. And that's because women notice certain things about men that us men don't even realize it. Today, I'm gonna give you a summary of the 6 things that women notice that you and I tend to forget. Let's hop into it. Number 1, your cleanliness. See, we recently just did a video where we had women rate men based on their appearance. What they didn't know is that they were really rating them based on their cars, and the way we did that, you can watch that video to see the full explanation. However, one of the guys, which was a stud in my opinion, 8, 9, 10 easy, they got rated lower by a certain woman just because his car was dirty. And what she said is, it reflects on his personal hygiene.
His car is dirty. It shows kind of his personality. Like, is he dirty? Is that how he keeps his house? Is that how he carries himself? And I judge that.
So yes, keep your car clean, keep your nails nice and cut, because yes, your nails are actually crusty and girls will notice that as well. Make sure you smell good, make sure you're nicely showered. It all matters. Number 2, have an approachable face. You see, you want to approach me, right? That's because you want to be smiling all the time. So many guys are walking around mean mugging like they're too cool for school. The reality is, it just looks like you're stuck up and no girl's gonna want to ever approach you. The truth is that every girl has their own likes and tastes, right? Some girls might like more softer features. Some girls might like stronger features. Some girls might like dark skin tone colors. Others might like lighter skin tone colors. Every girl has their personal taste. But the one thing that they always have in common that they like about men is those that have an approachable face, a friendly face. And you do that by not only making eye contact, but also smile. Practice smiling more. As you're walking through the hallway, try to remove the mean mug and just smile more. That approachability, it makes you attractive and women notice this stuff. Number 3, your clothing. Look, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. No girl is gonna wanna be with you if you don't look put together. Girls want somebody that they can show off to their parents, somebody that they can show off to their friends. If you don't look put together, she ain't gonna wanna be with no bum. Now, this doesn't mean it has to be the latest and the greatest from the runway or the most expensive designer. Just keep it clean, keep it fitted, and never, ever, ever forget the accessories. See, because they matter. Their small details matter. Me putting the extra effort of putting this rose gold and black necklace, yeah, it matters. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna hook you up and I'm gonna get you a free bracelet. Yo, I've been talking to Rose Gold and Black. We've been working together for 3, maybe 4 years now. Like, we're brothers at this point. And the reality is, I'm like, yo, we're like family. Treat my YouTube family just as good. He's gonna do just that. After talking, he told me basically he's gonna give you guys a free bracelet for every purchase. Free bracelet. Yo, their bracelets will retail up to $50. But the reality is, he and I know the importance of how crucial the details are. Just one necklace can change an outfit completely. Say you're wearing a basic t-shirt, you throw a necklace on, now it looks like you put in extra effort. The same thing happens with the bracelet. Say you're wearing a basic shirt, you throw on a bracelet, now it looks like you put in extra effort. Those small details matter, and this is the stuff that girls are noticing that we guys sometimes forget. This is why I tell you the great thing with jewelry is that you don't have to spend a lot of money. You don't have to rebuild your whole wardrobe. You invest in a few small pieces, and now you got a powerful set of accessories that will elevate any fit. And with Rose Gold and Black, you got jewelry that's minimally designed for men that always looks sexy, that you can throw on with any outfit or style aesthetic that you have that always looks good. And Rose Gold and Black has you covered, from watches to rings to bracelets to necklaces. Any type of jewelry, they got you covered, and they got you covered at a crazy affordable price. So if you're like me and you love minimal necklaces, this is one of their new rope necklace chains. Yo, you gotta go check them out and check out their whole collection of jewelry. They're gonna be linked down below, but here's the offer. Here's the sweet part. See, because you're part of the family, they're gonna take 35% off your order. Maybe that's not enough for you. Hey, I get it. On top of that, for every purchase, every order, you're gonna get 1 free bracelet. You heard that right. 1 free bracelet right now. This is a limited time offer. It will expire because obviously this is expensive for him, but they're literally gifting this stuff for you guys so you guys can check it out. If you guys want to check out Rose Gold and Black, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, your height. Look, am I here to lie to you? Of course not. I'm here to give you straight facts, even if it's not pretty or even if it hurts me to say it. But yes, Women do notice height, the same way that you and I peep their weight. Now look, let's be real here. Just because you're tall does not mean you're in the clear. You still need personality, and the tallness will fade quickly if you got nothing else to prove for it. But if you do want to appear taller to get that first impression with the girl, try wearing more monochromatic fits. In other words, these are fits that are all one color. Not only do these look sleeker and sexier, but that one color gives you that long visual streamlined effect that it makes you appear a bit taller. Number 5, your scent. This can actually determine your attractiveness. And I've always known that, but I love our new social experiments because now I'm proving a lot of my theories correct. See, when we were doing a video where this girl was basically blindfolded to judge body types to show you that you don't need a six-pack to be super attractive, the crazy part is that the guy with the worst body, in my opinion, and by the way, the dude was a stud, but that just meant he wasn't like super shredded, got the highest rating. And one of the things that she said as she was, feeling his body and whatever, she said, you smell good.
Okay, can you turn around? You smell good.
Your scent matters. See, when you attract a girl, you attract her using all 5 senses. The way you look, the way you sound, the way you talk, all that matters. And the way you smell is part of that equation. Finally, number 6, your butt. Look, scientifically speaking, a round butt on men suggests to women that you'd be a suitable lover. That's the truth.
Can I feel your butt? It's kind of weird.
I've been telling you this for the longest, and I just want you to understand, I'm not lying to you. Women look at our butts the same way we look at theirs. This is the reality. We are primal creatures. This is exactly why I always tell you, 1, hit the squats in the gym. They matter. And then 2, stop sagging your pants, bro. Pick them up because that athletic butt, they're gonna notice. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Rose Gold and Black, and try to cop that free bracelet before they sell out. That's it for me today. See you next time. So for that last scene, do me heavy squatting, which I think we have video of.